I got it. I got the Fujifilm X-H2S, guys. So the Fujifilm guys in Indo, they really came through and they got me one very, very early from its actual shipping date. Thank you guys. Thank you, fujishop.id. Big shout out to you guys. Great customer service. So if you're in Indonesia and you want to get Fujifilm gear, definitely go with fujishop.id. They've been really, really helpful in answering my questions. So I actually had the opportunity to shoot a pre-production model in the Fuji shop itself, thanks to fujishop.id. Don't forget to check them out. And this video isn't sponsored by them. It's not sponsored by Fujifilm. This is just my first impressions. And let's unbox this, shall we? Let's see what's inside the box. All right. Whew, first time opening it. Kind of nervous, not gonna lie. Cool. So some detailed stuff from fujishop.id and receipt. So we got, first of all, manual documentation stuff. All right. So, big boy. All right. I'm gonna see what's in this box first. Seems like there's something in here. I think it's the charger and stuff. Let's see what's in this box. If I can get this open. All right. Yep. All right. So USB-C to USB-C cable. I don't know if you can see that. Fujifilm strap. Some adapter heads. Oh, what's this? I have no idea what this is. Oh, I guess we'll figure this out, huh? Yep, so that's the power brick. Okay, so I think you're charging in camera. Not ideal, to be honest. That's the battery. So the battery is the exact same as the Fujifilm X-T4. So here it is. Camera itself. All right, big boy, come on. Oh, I'm trying to do this very nicely. Oh, it's a bit tough to get it out. Okay, got it out. It's one hefty boy. There it is. All right, moment of truth. All right. Truth. Da. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, that is a nice piece of kit. There. This is a nice piece of kit. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, so it has that new camera smell. Oh, that is gorgeous. So I'm gonna put a battery in it just to see if it works. It should, hopefully it does. Goes in there, as usual. All right, and let's turn it on. And it doesn't work. I think the battery needs some juice in it. So if you're planning on getting the X-H2S, yes. If you want it to work, you're gonna have to charge it up a little bit. I just did a quick plug-in, just plug into the power, and it does work. So opening that up, yep, I'm gonna set it up. Oh, that is beautiful, isn't it? Put that to video mode. That, and you can see, oh yeah, that's gorgeous. So there is no memory card on this yet, but basically, this is what the X-H2S looks like, and it is hefty. It's one piece of kit. So, first impressions of the Fujifilm X-H2S, the brand new flagship king. Man, it feels so comfortable to hold compared to if you guys own the X-T3 or the X-T4, you guys know how actually pretty bad it is. The X-T4 a lot better than the X-T3, but the X-T3 is barely holdable if you don't have the battery grip or the vertical grip or whatever you want to call it. But this on its own, it already feels so much more comfortable. So this is what it looks like. So the battery, the handle itself is a lot bigger than it is than the X-T3, obviously. I've already added some Peak Design ankle links, so I actually don't know what these are called, ankle links I guess. But yeah, so I do have very long long fingers and a very long palm. So holding this, it's okay, but sometimes you want to adjust and it does come off a little bit. My pinky does come off a little bit. And I think that the biggest thing for me is because of my long palms. See this bit that's protruding out? focus. This bit that protrudes out, it kind of jams up my palm, but you know, it's not that big of a deal, especially if I'm not holding a big lens. And yeah, it's still pretty comfortable. It's if I had the vertical grip, the battery grip, it will definitely feel a lot better. Let me show you the buttons here. So it does have, let me show you the buttons. So it does have that what's it called, the shutter button. There's a record button right here, which is pretty small, but just initially testing it, just really quickly testing it, you can record just using this shutter button. You don't need to use this, and you can set the record button as a function button. ISO, white balance, there's another function button here. So it is a PASM dial. It has 7 custom modes, which is great. And just looking through it, you can actually have that custom modes to be video or photo. So it doesn't need to be just pure photo. So you can set it to just purely video. So if you want to, say for example, shoot in 4K 120, you can set it to C7. You can set C6 to be 4K 50, 6.2K in C5, so on and so forth, right? So it has all those ports, the very infamous full-size HDMI. Let me can see that. Can you see that? Full-size HDMI right there. Yep. So it's got that mic jack. It's got the mic jack, headphone jack, and a USB Type-C port. So that is for power delivery. I do hope that there are requests for a firmware update where you can plug in a SSD drive, like a Samsung T5, T7 drive, into this to record, which I think would be fantastic. But I don't know, it seems like it might just be power delivery for now, or image transfer. But you know, that would be pretty cool if they can do that through a firmware update. I'm not too sure. So yes, over here, that's the battery though. The memory card slots right there. It focuses. So it does have that CF Express Type B and the SD card. I've got a Lexar V60 on here right now. Yeah, hopefully that works. So I still need to get a CF Express Type B. It's in the mail. It's coming soon. So there is this one little port up here on top of the memory card door, and that is for. So that is a remote. Yeah, that's getting away. That is a remote jack. Yeah, so that is a remote jack, and that's it for ports. But it is riddled with function buttons. So you got one there, one there. All these. So the ISO white balance, of course, you're not going to change that, but you can change the record button and that function button right there. That's the back of the X-H2S. Yep, that's what it looks like. You got the flippity outy screen. Boom. Flipping, done. There you go. If you want to do selfies, vlogging with this, you can. You got these 2 screw holes right there. That is for the cooling fan that they announced as well with this camera. Accessories aren't here yet for the X-H2S. It's still not available. That's the pins, for the contact pins for the cooling fan. I'm still waiting for that, so I can't really test it out yet. But I do hope that they will come soon, and I can get you a full review out. So if you are following me on Instagram, on Facebook, I actually posted a post on Facebook asking if you guys have any burning questions about the X-H2S, and I do hope to review those. And mostly it's about autofocus right now, and low light performance actually. But if you do have any burning questions outside of those 2 questions, let me know, and I will try my best to answer those questions to the best of my abilities, especially for filmmaking. So this is more of a filmmaking kit, video making kit. But I will try my best, because I will probably hybrid this and use it for photos as well. And let's see what we can make out of this beautiful piece of kit, shall we? So yeah, that's it for the unboxing and the first impressions. I've got a weekend set up to try this out, so I'm gonna do a first impression shoot shooting for the first time. I don't know, I gotta think of a name for that video, but this is gonna be it for now. This is my first hands-on, really holding, literally hands-on of this Fujifilm X-H2S, and I do hope to try it out and let you guys know how it feels and how it shoots and all that jazz. And with that being said, don't forget to unsubscribe, don't hit that like button, and don't forget to leave all that nasty in the comment section, and I will maybe make another video. Don't know. I'll see you guys. See ya.